Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss code switching and code mixing. Code switching and code mixing are two related but distinct concepts in linguistics. Code switching refers to the practice of using two or more languages or language varieties in the same conversation or communication. This can occur within a single sentence or even phrase. Code switching can be intentional or unintentional and is often influenced by social or cultural factors such as a desire to fit in with a particular group or to express a particular identity. Core mixing, on the other hand, refers to the practice of using elements from two or more languages or language varieties within a single sentence or utterance. Unlike code switching, code mixing does not necessarily involve a full switch from one language to another. So, in code switching, we have a full switch from one language to another, while in code mixing, the full switch is not involved. To illustrate the difference between code switching and code mixing, let's consider some examples. Example of code switching. Hey, can you pass me La Salle? In the sentence, hey, can you pass me is an English utterance which is then followed by La Salle, which is a Spanish term for salt. So in this sentence, you can observe that there is a full switch from one language to another, like hey, can you pass me is an English utterance and which is followed by a Spanish term la sal, and there is a full switch. First, there is English language, which is then followed by a Spanish term. In code mixing, the full switch is not involved, but different codes are mixed together, like I need to comprar some groceries. In this utterance, In this English utterance, a word comprar, which means buy and it is a Spanish term, is inserted between an English utterance, and we can't see any full switch. So in this sentence, two codes are mixed together. So this is called code mixing. Conclusively, in code switching, there is a full switch, which is obvious in example, while in code mixing, the codes are mixed in such a way that we can't infer that there is a complete switch. The complete switch is not visible. So, in both cases, multiple languages or language varieties are being used within a single sentence. However, in the first example, there is a clear switch from one language to another, while in the second example, elements from two languages are mixed together within a single sentence. So, in short, in code mixing, two codes or multiple codes are mixed together, while in code switching, there is the full switch from one code to another. Thank you very much for watching.